So first, with the Mikan makeup tutorial, I'm going to conceal my eyebrows. I admit I didn't do a very good job. What's going on here? Push it up more. So you want to brush up, you want to pull up, then down, then up again. And then take this eyebrow comb and push it all the way up. Obviously, you'll want to do it to the other side. If you have a wet wipe, then clean off the excess glue. And I like to do this 2 more times. And then, okay, so I'll do it to the other eyebrow. So this is what you want the eyebrows to look like. And while they're drying, I'm going to put on some primer. Flower, it just says something primer. I got this at a local drugstore, so going to moisturize my face. And people like to think that I never put primer on, but the case is that I prefer to do it off camera, but I realize now that's not a good idea. So I believe this is called Flower, in your Prime Hydration Primer Base Deficient Hydration. So it doesn't say what brand this is, but I put on my primer, and now the next step. Obviously, I put another layer of glue on my eyebrows. So one more layer after this, and I'll show you how you actually conceal them. You don't want to do your eye makeup if you're doing your eyebrows first. I think my best advice is to get the eye makeup, do the eye makeup last. And be careful not to do it yet. Your eyebrows, try to keep the concealer away. And people like to criticize me for saying, you can't use concealer's eye primer. Well, I followed this YouTuber, and when she put on makeup, she was using concealer as primer. Maybelline concealer. Hello, here's editor me. So I accidentally deleted the footage where I show you how to actually conceal the eyebrows with some powder. Just press really hard when you're applying the powder, and press really hard on your eyebrows, and you'll get this result. In case that doesn't explain much, I'll put a link in the description. So now, you just want to take a fluffy brush, dust away all the excess, but not too much. This is my second time trying eyebrows, and I think the mistake I made last time is that I accidentally dusted everything off my eyebrows. So now you're going to see some magic happen. Also, don't forget to dip your sponge in a little bit of water, preferably a glass of water. And that is how you conceal your eyebrows, just to draw on fake ones. We'll get to that. Okay, so before you type away in the comments, I'm going to show you that if your eyebrows are still sticking out, then take a little bit of Maybelline concealer, which is what I'm using, and just try to cover them up. Maybe lightly tap with your beauty blender. just in case they're still a little visible, because mine are. I am getting better at it, but you know, practice makes perfect. It sounds cheesy, but it's true. So you're probably here because you want to know, how do I get those Mikan eyebrows? Well, before we do that, I'm going to take this blush color and use it as an eyeshadow. And we are going to layer it. So I'm sorry, I'm using my camera as a mirror. I know I shouldn't do that. But after so many years of doing Mikan makeup, I want to show people how I do it and how much better I've gotten. I don't rush my makeup. This probably took me 20 minutes. Okay, and now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this red eyeshadow and blend it into that. Then, a purple eyeshadow. You might want to use a darker purple just in case. And you also want to put that on your eyelid. Now, I'm going to take this little fluffy brush and take this very dark brown color and put it into my crease. I'm going to take this really dark purple and you just make a little drawing of a curved eyebrow. Make sure you don't do that. Now that I'm running out of things to say, I've been talking this whole entire video, but okay, I can't see unless I use an actual mirror. Thank you for correcting me in the comments already if I don't disable them. So this is what you want your eyeliner to look like. You want it to maybe Google image what Mikan's eye shape is for reference. And you want to draw them down here, because usually I would use false bottom eyelashes. But I think for this video, I'm just going to draw them on. I'm sorry, I'll try to do better. I haven't drawn on fake eyelashes in a really long time. And there, this part is completely optional. You don't have to draw on fake lashes, bottom lashes. I just thought this would be easier. And the very last thing for this makeup tutorial is to take some Ulta Beauty lip gloss in the color Magenta. My Mikan wig is all packaged and stored up, and I don't feel like wearing it. So here are some TikToks to see the finished result.